Hi. I don't remember how to emote again. Is it Q? Yeah, it's Q.
Yeah.
Oops. So savage. I think we were up top, right? Like right there. Hooray! We did it. Wait, this one. Yeah. Pew, 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 pew. It's not.
It
It's
seems
not.
to be malfunctioning.
It's not going.
Excuse me. Excuse me.
Hooray!
Excuse me.
So I just see your character spazzing around trying to get it in.
Excuse me. Excuse
Yeah, that was pretty funny.
Look at me run.
Mm.
It's like when you're trying to get milk in the middle of the night, you don't want to get going. Gotta go
Milk?
stealth.
Wait, why are you getting milk in the middle of the night? Is it for the cookies? It's for the cookies, isn't it?
Excuse me. Excuse me.
Okie dokie. Oh, we started this one. I remember we started this one. I remember this. I remember this.
Boom.
Excuse me.
What? What is happening? I'm so confused. Wait, I want to take a look at what you did.
So first I opened up one portal underneath you, another one there. So you just fell constantly. And then I opened up one next to the portal, so you fell out. And then when you didn't fall into it, I just readjusted the portal, so you would fall in. But you're now standing in the corner, and I can't get you to get in. Get in. Get
Wait,
in.
how do you do it?
Well, I just have this one here.
You do it.
So if I were here and I was like, we, then I'd be here. So put the
Just do
portal
it again.
here
Do
where
it
I
again.
am. Put the yellow one here. Oh, okay. Hold up. Hold, wait. Oh, a little bit farther then. A little closer. But yeah, you can just swoop, swoop, swoop. Oh, wait. Oh, oh, oh. I'm lost.
There are three of you.
Whee! But yeah, if you have, go, 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 babe, go. Oh, ah! Go, 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 go. Ah! And then of course the classic. Eh, 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 eh. Hooray! Oh no!
Yay!
Oh,
What?
oh, you went up. I'm coming. Hi. Oh, you knocked me off. Whee! Oh, that's right. That's right. That's right. We were actually doing it. Yeah, yeah, yeah. And then, and then you that yellow now has the wall. So now we take the wall, and we need to build a wall. Where did? Ah, yes, there. Okay,
You
good.
did it.
Now if I jump this way, nope, didn't work. Okay. Hold on. Because
And now we have a wall.
right. But I'm gonna open this here, and now get on that thing.
Wait, but how did we get up there?
I shot a portal here, so
Mm-hmm.
you hit the bounce pad, went up, and then I had a portal here, so you flew up and then hit the corner of the wall and then bounced there. And now I've got the
Oh.
same thing set up, but over here. So that way you can make a wall somewhere up there. You gotta shoot your red somewhere. Red.
Oh, I
No.
shot my yellow.
No. Well now we have to go reset it. So actually, where are you? Oh, you're there. Okay. Good. Clear. Hooray! Well, babe, look. You don't have to jump out. You have to jump out.
Whee!
Babe, just watch you jump off. Babe, just go through portal. Hooray!
Oh.
Okay, there we go. Problem solved. All right, now skadoosh and skadoosh. Jump in. Yay! Now I'll be right there.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, I know how to do this. Oh, I missed. And then I just go through. Hi, how you doing? See, I'm smart. Right. Hold on.
There's no one to high five, babe.
Yeah, because I'm over here. Yes, high five. Okay, come here. We're gonna jump here. Huh.
Why?
Cause I said so. Okay, put the red one here. And now we have the bridge across to get to the exit. See?
Whoa.
And if I were to like shoot my portal gun at the gap that you have, I would actually completely undo everything that we've worked for. Watch.
No.
No, it's okay, because then we can easily reset it.
No.
Okay, let's just jump across then.
We did it.
Huh. Yay! Oh, every time you go through one of these...
Excuse me. Where did she go?
Every time you go through one of these walls, it deactivates all the portals you've set. So notice how the bridge is gone because your portals are gone.
Oh.
We'd have to redo the puzzle if we did it again. But it's okay.
Excuse me.
Because we got through. Hooray!
Babe, where'd you go?
I went through the door. Hey.
Oh, that door.
Yeah. Here we go. I dare you to jump on the thing. Bye.
That was me. Oh yeah, well I dare you.
Okay. Ow! Hi. What? You thought we'd fall? Ooh. That's an interesting idea.
Look what I did.
Yeah. Hold on though. Because when you walk through it, it's going to deactivate the portals.
Don't walk through it then.
No,
Just
you
use it.
you walk through it. Like I can stand here, but if you walk through the glowy blue wall, then it.
I know. That's why I don't want to.
Well, I can't get past you because you're in the way. So excuse me. Excuse me. Thanks. Okay. Oh.
I miss you.
I get it. I get it.
I missed you.
I get it. Okay.
Oh no.
Did someone forget that wasn't there? Okay, I'm just gonna go here. Boop.
No, babe, but now there isn't a portal.
And then I'm gonna go there. And then here. Okay, but new plan. Okay, ready? Ready for the new plan? Babe. No, babe. Save. Okay, good. Okay, but problem, because I need to set up the portal there, so when... Wait, no, new plan. Okay, no, stop. I have plan.
Double rainbow.
Okay, no, listen, okay? Babe, stop it. Okay. No. I'm on the bridge. Okay, great. Okay, so you're gonna fire a portal there, and then you're gonna come around through, like jump over the wall and land on the bridge that I made for you down here. And then you're gonna shoot a yellow one. Oh, you missed.
You didn't make a bridge.
You missed the bridge. The bridge is right there. Just jump.
You told me to just jump and fall, and I did.
You missed the bridge, babe.
Or maybe you
You know,
did.
I'm coming back. Coming back. No, you stop this. There we go. Okay, I'm back.
What?
I shot it right as you jumped. Like, it was a really close run thing, but I got it. Okay.
Please.
Okay, wait, no. Okay, fire a portal there.
No, come with me.
Fine.
I miss
Ow!
you. Oh, hi, babe. Excuse me.
Okay. Good. Now come this way. And we're just gonna jump off. And now you shoot a red one here, and I'm gonna go through it. Thanks, babe. Okay. See me?
No. Oh, hi, babe.
Hi. Domo arigato, Mr. Okay.
Tomo arigato.
I know how.
Tomo.
Okay, hold on. Can you get a bridge here so I can come back? No.
What?
Do you see where the exit is?
Huh?
Do you see where the exit is?
Oh, yeah, it's over there.
But each time we go through these things, zoop, portal's gone. But this is the final step to the stepping stone that we have to take in order to get home. So
But I missed.
okay. So you got the red one? Don't die. No. Put the red one back here. You didn't. Okay. Do you see what I'm trying to do?
But I missed you.
I know I miss you too, but do you see what I'm doing? Babe?
Oh, no, I didn't. Hold on.
Babe, you need to get me home.
I know, I just did it. Oh,
No,
I'm in.
I'm
there.
down over here. You can't shoot through that wall.
What do I do?
What do you think? I want to see if you can problem solve this. Yes. Okay, I'm not gonna miss. I'm not gonna miss. Okay, great. Now get us home, because we're still pretty far away. Yes, babe. You're amazing. Okay, go for a ride. I made a ride for you. Go. Oh, you missed. Bye. I'm coming. Ow. Yay.
We did it.
Hi.
Yay.
Make this course more exciting. Yes, I see. And no, I don't care.
Domo.
Still.
Domo. No! Babe, they took my face off. Babe, my face.
Boop, 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 boop.
What were you? I'm Atlas. You're Peabody.
I'm Peabody.
Your body made of pea. But I still love you, right? Yes.
Good.
Good, she says, to the millions of viewers across the world. I love
I
you.
love you too.
Good.
I love you.
Wait, this is it. This is the best. Let's go.
That's so awesome. Maybe in this world we can pass through. Nope. Maybe in this world we can pass it. Nope.
Babe, look. Babe.
I'm in the middle.
He's dying to see that. I'm catching him. I'm catching him. I'm catching up. He'll never get away this time. Oh dear. Oh no.
I made a horrible mistake.
Huh.
Oh, I get it.
This way. Nope. Maybe. Where am I? Oh, there. I'm stuck. Babe. Oh god, I'm dying. Oh shit, there are turrets. Get back, babe. Babe, get back. Oh, you died.
I was looking.
Yeah, they're turrets.
Yeah, but I wanted to see.
Oh, no, that didn't work. I'm stuck.
No, I realized that it doesn't work.
No, look at this. Look at this. It's a perfectly sealed off area. Like, that's what we're supposed to do. We're supposed
I know, we just need to get over it, but I don't know
Right,
how.
Right. Well, I can. Oh, duh. I know how. You have another portal
How?
gun. Shoot us over there.
Oh, yeah.
We're fucking stupid.
It won't let
Over
me.
there?
Nope.
Yeah.
Oh, there
Yeah, we're stupid, babe.
he is.
Oh, there's another. Hold on. Back up. Oh, there's. Oh, we need 2 walls, babe. Can you oblige? Yeah.
Catch me now, motherfucker!
Ah, they're trying. Oh, don't stand up too high, because then they start shooting.
Yeah, I'm actually a lot taller than you.
Again, but this time they're over there. Oh, you have the bridge that we stand on. I have this shield that we use to protect. No going any further, babe. I protect you. Hi. Oh, shit. Shit! Babe,
Mm-hmm.
they can shoot you from there. They're very angry. It's very nice. How do we get across though?
Oh, God.
Ah! I like the thumbs up I give as I fall to my death. It's pretty cool. Okay. Oh, we can go over them. That's what we're gonna do. We're gonna go over them. What? Where did you shoot that portal?
I can't get through.
What? Oh,
Here.
I see. I got it. But I have a better idea. Hold on. Ready? Boom. And then. Oh, there's no wall here. Never mind, that doesn't work. Huh.
Can you do your yellow here?
I mean, I don't have yellow. You have yellow.
Hmm?
You have the yellow. I'm the one holding the bridge open right now. If I release the bridge, we both fall.
Why won't it let me shoot then?
And then yellow. Well, just put the yellow somewhere else. Just where?
Perfect.
Excuse me. Excuse me. Excuse. Oh, wait. Do that again. Shoot the yellow over there.
Do what again?
Shoot the yellow over there. Are you sure we don't fit? Oh, not only do we not fit, they can shoot me from that. Turn it off. There we go. How do we cross? Oh. Duh. I'm stupid.
Have you figured it out?
Yep. Ready to
Tell
drop?
me. Where are you?
I'm underneath you. There's a crossing thing here, and then we just shield ourselves as we walk across. Go through my portal.
Where are you?
Go through my portal.
Where are you?
Through the portal. I was hiding over here, against the wall, so they can't shoot me because they're gonna shoot you if you're right there. Okay. Now do you see? Now do you see?
Oh.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's so simple.
You're right. Just we have to think about it. So do you see what you have to do? Careful, you're in line of fire.
I did not see what I had to.
Do you see it now? No.
No, I tried to make the tried to make the line walk.
Yeah,
Well.
it's up there. Oh, I'm cut off.
Yeah, me too.
Okay, hold on. Okay, let's get on this side. Okay, great, go. No, the wall, quickly. You're gonna be shot! Ah!
I can't do it.
Okay. Yellow one is gonna. Okay, great. But you know what? Actually, that's fine. No. Do that again. Okay, great. We're stuck again. Okay. No. Put the red one back where you had it. Over there. Okay. Now you can go stand comfortably here without dying, and you can just very casually put the yellow one right there. Why can't we just put the yellow one right there? Why are we dying? Stand here. No. Yes! Woohoo! Wait a minute. Shit.
Can we give him the finger?
No, we can't. Because we have to push that button in order to get the cube to go to that receptacle.
Okay, push it fast.
Okay,
3,
I'm ready.
2, 1.
Reactivate. Did you do it? Oh, it fell in the water. We have to do it again.
Okay.
Don't stand on the.
3,
No, wait.
2.
Wait. Don't stand on this because if I die, this bridge disappears and you fall to your doom.
But I have to catch the ball.
The ball comes out from here,
I know.
right here.
Oh.
Okay. I am ready to go. Ready? Set.
Okay. 3, 2, 1.
Reactivate. I got it. Okay, now we can just go and put it in. Oh, that was difficult. Oh no. Babe. You know what we're gonna have to do? Deactivate. Ready to run?
This was another test no one had ever completed.
You missed it. Babe, come as the good Lord says, I'm waiting!
It was so stressful. I was clicking my E. Oh my
Praise
god.
Jeebus. Oh, we did it. That was only 6 out of 8. How difficult could the next one be?
It was really hard.
We got this. We're gonna shrug this off like me shrugging off my workouts at the JCC. Let's go.
Wondering what that smell is.
Oh, there's no. Do you see it? Do you see it? Do you see it already?
I know.
Yes.
Yes. It's evil. Oh, it's watching us. What do we do? Ow! Thank God for bulletproof glass. Oh, I found the wall. It's been a pleasure. Thanks for playing, babe. Wait! I has plan. That's a jump platform there. So I'm gonna go boom, boom. Oh, that works beautifully. No, come back. You're gonna die. Oh, bye, babe.
But we wanted to get there.
No. Next time, do something like this. Safe. And now, can you put boop? Ow!
I thought it was your portal.
It was my portal.
Then why did it die?
Because you covered my portal up with your portal.
Oh, I didn't know you could do that.
Yeah, like this. Okay. New plan. Yeah, but hold on. I don't see what that success. I don't know how that's the other one. Oh, there. There it is. Do you see where your yellow one has to go? There.
Oh, I didn't do anything.
Can you shoot through my wall? Yes, you can. Okay. All right. Hold on. I'm gonna get you up there. You're ready?
Hmm?
Once you're bouncing, you're gonna have to shoot. Oh. Okay, that doesn't work. You're gonna just die right there. Actually, you know what? Hold on a tick. Just sit patiently. Just wait. You're gonna go through that portal behind you. In 3, 2, 1. Ah, I'm getting killed. Never mind, it's not working. just come through it again. Okay. First, no. First, put yellow here. And then go through red. Hold on. Let me walk you through it.
That's what I did.
No. Let me walk you through it. You're gonna go through the red. I'm gonna cover it up. You're gonna have to. Oh no! Shoot yellow there. Okay. You're gonna go through the portal. I'm gonna cover you on this side so you can bounce up and down without getting shot. And you're gonna have to shoot the red one here in order to be able to go. Okay?
Okay.
You're gonna be bouncing the whole time, so it's gonna be difficult. Ready?
Yeah.
Go. Oh, you gotta bounce. You gotta get the bouncies. Get on the bouncy. Yes, babe, you did it. Did you see how as you flew through the air, you also took him out? That was great. That was amazing. Okay, hold on. I'm coming to join you. Oh, yay! I did it. Hi.
Oh, hi, babe.
Hi. Okay. Yay! I made you into a flying projectile and you killed him. Hooray!
Wait, I didn't see it though. Will I see it in the video when you record it?
Kind of. I was a little busy being shot at the time, so it's not exactly clear, but it happened.
Is this the exit?
Yes.
We did it!
No, not yet. There's more. Oh, lots of red lines. Hello. Oh God! Oh, he's right here. Yo, he's angry.
Eh.
I got it. I got it. I got it. I got it. Shabamo. Oh, that didn't work. Where are you going? What is thy plan? Oh, this activates that. That's interesting. Okay, great. What do we do? You're just gonna fall off there and ooh, nice. What does that one do? Lots of balls just flew out from here and bounced off the target here. So you have to Oh, new plan. Okay, no, that doesn't work. Damn. I was thinking if you could just have them drop to you. But is there a wall section like somewhere over there they can shoot a portal to?
Yeah.
Ooh, great. Yeah.
Where are you?
I'm still here. I don't know. I'm coming.
Hold on. I have an idea.
Nope, I'm here.
No.
Oh, I'm not here.
Take that portal away. Stay where you are.
Can I? No. Oh, ow.
Oh, I wanted to get the ball to you.
No, I have better idea. Is that a cube up there? There it is. Wow, that's weird. No. Oh, it's gone. I have better idea, babe.
No, but I did it. Look, two
No.
balls went through the
I have better
picture.
idea. First, red here, so I can drop to you.
But my idea was good.
It is good, but I can't get to you. Where's your portal? What? Oh, yeah. No, but see, if I jump, I die. Can you put a portal? Yeah, there, but then another one here. Save me, babe. That's not far at all. I thought it was closer. Okay. You know what? Here, just do the same
it.
thing, but get ready to get those balls flying. I got one.
Wait, how did I get here?
No, you
How
have,
did I get
because
here?
because I stepped on this thing here, which created that wall. But if I get off this thing, it's gone. Give me a ball. I'm gonna catch. Ready?
Hey, it's Jacques.
Hi, ball.
Hello.
Are you
Oh,
guys
I want cube.
in
I want
game?
cube. Cube is even better. Oh, thank God. Now we're playing Portal.
Oh, okay. Cool.
Yes. What? It's gone. Why?
I was gonna-
Oh, cause you.
Cool.
No. Every time you hit it, things go away.
Yay. Blue is back.
Well, that was a little rude.
I didn't expect that to happen.
Yeah, me neither.
Wait, can Jacques play with us?
No, it's only 2-person.
Oh, sorry, Jacques.
I think he already left.
Oh, okay.
Okay. New plan. Did you see the force those things came out? Babe, did you see the force that came out?
Yeah.
Place the portal there. And like shoot the balls.
I can't place portal. I can't place one through the wall.
Oh damn. Okay, that's a bummer. Oh, but I can. Go ahead and shoot that button again. Watch the magic happen. Again. Do you see the gunner turrets disappearing? Oh, it's not high enough. Oh, it's a bummer. How do we get that one then? Damn. Oh well.
Bit higher. Tiny bit higher. Try it
I
again.
can't go higher. That's as high as it goes.
Oh.
Yeah, there must be another way.
There must be a better
Go again. Go
way.
again. Hit button. Hit button. No, hit button. Okay.
I am hitting the. Oh.
Yes! There we go. Got the two behind you.
Oh yeah, there were guns behind me.
Ow! Damn, how do you get this one though? This is annoying. You know what? Just bring me over to you. Oh no, but your portal's gonna disappear when I move. Watch. Yeah. Damn.
Can you put a ball on it?
No, but I can put a box. Hit button for box.
Oh yeah.
Oh, also red there, so I can catch box. Oh, it went way too fast. Will ball still work? Oh, yes, it will. Awesome.
Told you.
Okay, great. I'm gonna do this nice and quick. Ready, steady, and boom.
Hi, babe.
Hi. Okay, let's do.
Yay! We did it.
That was minorly complicated.
I am sure
I'm ready.
tests you would have never completed.
You're in my spot. Yeah.
The broken
Can we play an
test.
What?
We can do another one.
We have. I think we have one more level for this.
That's the
section.
whole of Portal.
No. For we have like 4 or 5 sections, and then we will have done
Oh, okay.
one section.
Okay.
Yeah. So we can do this. We got this. We got this. We got this.
Yeah, boy.
We can. We can. Super succeed.
Hmm.
Because like we already very successful. Started from the top and now we're here. Wait, hold on, I got that backwards. Started from the bottom and now we're here. Started from the bottom and now we're here. A demotivational song about dealing with controversy and presidential.
Hold on a
elections.
second. I tabbed out and I tried to come back in, and now I just have a screen that I can't leave.
A what screen?
A blue screen.
Risk having
Oh
you go
no.
outside the official courses one more time. The humans accidentally.
Oh, there we go.
LED in the player. I
Oh,
am
there
sure
you
it
are.
happened by accident.
Hi.
But when
Excuse
I
me.
find out the player,
Are we sure it's not? Yeah, it's not that way. Okay. Ooh, we're in scary back section. Hey, look, babe, 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 babe. I'm playing League of Legends. Ah, I'm tilted. Wait, but hold on. We must deactivate the this. Oh, I see. I see. Yes. Throw. Basketball.
Oh,
No, this way. See portal. It's so funny. I see this ball. Oh damn. I almost got it. Oh, come on. Seriously? Why can't I grab it? No, I knocked it out. I'm sorry. This is really funny.
this is really sad.
No, it's gone. Okay, do you want to switch?
No.
Okay, you want to
Maybe you just can't catch.
I know. Try again. I'm ready. Babe, you're missing. Hello? This is not the way.
I know, I just wanted to see if there was a back way.
No, I know. I was making.
Jump! No, we can gate.
Jump shot.
Oh,
Oh, that might work.
that makes sense though.
Yeah, go ahead. How'd you do it the first time? Got it.
What?
Hooray, we did it.
On my screen there was a hilarious.
Okay,
glitch.
you can come through now.
You sure?
Yeah. Yeah, we did it. See, I put the ball in the laser thing, and if you I can't take it out actually. But it opened the door. Hooray! There's so many portal walls. Excuse me. I'm lost. Where am I going? Look, babe, moonwalk. Dun 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 dun. Dun. Ah! That's a little rude, wasn't it? It didn't work at all. How are you not falling through that? What? No, this is bullshit.
I can see myself. Look at that ass. Tag, you're it.
Where'd you go? I don't understand. Bye. Tag.
This is so. Wait, do it again. Do it again. Oh, let me do it again.
Ah, my head. I'm not even getting my head back. It's very rude.
Have we finished?
No, we have to keep going. Ooh, ball fell. I don't know how or where. Oh, there it is. It's flying through the air. Ready? We gonna catch. That didn't work. How do we? Oh, duh. There's more pathways this way.
Hmm.
Something is now online. I don't know what, but it is. Ooh! I see it! Oh! Okay.
I don't know where to put my other.
Yeah. I don't either. Oh, there. Yeah. Maybe that'll work. And then can you catch it? No, it just goes away. How do we? Oh, I have plan. No, that didn't work at all. Wrong one. Okay. Go back through. I see it. Because you have your portals and then it goes out from here, but then if I quickly switch my blue one to over here, it'll create a ramp through space here that'll have it drop out here and then we catch.
Okay.
Do you see what I mean?
So what do I do?
You need a red one here. Okay. Next ball. Oh, I missed. Might be. Yes! And then here it comes. Oh, I missed it! No! Oh, there it is. Never mind. We got
Whoa.
it, babe. Do you want to take ball? Just don't walk
Tag,
don't walk
Yeah.
into the fence, because then...
you're it.
You're playing keep away from the short person. This is not fair.
Ooh, a swivel chair.
Oh, the best kind of chairs.
Son of a bitch, swivel chair. Yeah, I want to spin. Oh, how do you pick it back up?
Flip. Oh, now it's upside down. Hey, we know that chair's position.
I told you to get away from my house, boy.
There, see, I like this
Absolutely
position.
get
Just
on the ground.
wait. I like that chair's position. Just not specifically this chair. A squishy one is better. Tag it.
No, I wanted to get on the chair. Babe, now you've thrown both of them and we can't pick them.
Yes, you can.
Babe.
Yes, you can. We got this.
I just wanted to swivel.
Oh, it shows me as you getting it when you.
What are we trying to do now?
I mean, we should just. Oh, we have to push these at the same time. Yeah, we do. Okay, ready. 3, 2, 1. Oh, you're lagging. Okay, 3, 2, 1. Yes.
I'm ready.
Okay. Now you just hang tight. Get it? 'Cause
I was trying to make a portal, you know.
Oh, sorry. Hi.
I don't know where I am. Oh, that's what I wanted. Where
Ooh,
did I
that's
go?
genius. Ooh, what you were doing. Yeah.
Am I stood on the barrier?
Yes.
Babe, I'm stood on the barrier.
I'm fat. Ooh. I don't know what that was. But yeah. I like your idea. I really like your idea. I don't know actually. Do your idea. Let's see if we can.
I don't know because I can't remember where we started.
We over here. Come this way.
That's confusing.
Oh, sorry. Apparently my pings do not stick on this pathway, which is very annoying. Wait, can I?
Excuse me.
Oh, I'm sorry. Is my big bod in the way? Go for
Excuse
it.
me.
Where's your... Oh. Oh my god, that's amazing. Wait. Babe, if we're up there, and then you release us, and we drop down through our portals, and then we... Oh, I know what we have to do. Do you want me to tell you, or do you want to try to figure it out?
You can tell me.
Okay. Did you see your setup, how you had it last time?
Whee!
Babe.
Oh.
Okay, come back.
Wait, but I need you to open. Oh no.
No. You had the inspiration here, okay? So let me walk you through, okay? Okay. Ready? Let me talk it out first. So no. Portal here. Okay. So we're going to both be up on that tall part. And we're each going to be over one of these block sections. Boom and boom. Okay? And then our other portal, well, it's going to be a little difficult. One of us can pre-plan.
What?
Do you want me to explain it to you?
We didn't pre-plan.
No, you just went. Okay, let me show
I
you.
have an inspiration.
Here, wait. Set me up, but let me show you what the problem is, okay? Just watch. No. Stand here. Stand here and just watch. Okay? Alright, are you watching?
Yeah.
So if you deactivate that,
Yeah. Jan 99 is putting beams and vines on the
oh,
sonar
geez.
bot.
Okay, babe,
Oh.
deactivate, and I'm gonna sail
I
through
am
here through
Chipotle.
this portal.
What did you say?
If you deactivate, I'm gonna drop down to that portal, and I'm going to sail through this portal. But the problem is, there is the exit, but I'm going to miss it. Because if I fly through the air, then I just fall over it, and I miss. And we need to get up there. So
But I just made that bridge that you stood on.
Right. But I'm below it, see? Do you see me?
Yeah.
Yeah. So we actually have to go through, but thanks, babe. We have to go through both of the jumps simultaneously. So I have to go through the left side, you have to go through the right side, and then we're going to crash in midair over the exit, and we'll both drop down and touch.
Okay.
So come back.
How?
Put a yellow one here. Actually, you know what? Just come back along the pathway. Where are you? Oh, there you are. Hi. Okay. You're gonna stand here. Right here. First, shoot one portal there. Then shoot another one there. Okay. Now come with me. Oh, wait, hold on. You go first. Stand over your portal. Let me know when you're ready.
Yeah.
You ready?
Yeah.
Okay.
Oh, I'm gonna be able to train JR and Anivia. I've been waiting for this
I'm gonna
day.
fire one portal here,
Hey, Dominic.
and then I'm gonna fire
Yeah.
another portal here, and then as soon as I fire the first portal, we're falling, and you're gonna fall right through your portal there, and then you're gonna go out of that portal there, and then we're gonna crash in midair right over the exit, which is over there. Okay, ready? We're gonna fall in 3, 2, 1, falling. Hooray! It
Oh,
worked.
that was awesome.
Yeah,
Good job, babe.
thanks. But you were the one who put the portal up there to let me know that we were supposed to do it. Insert the disc, find the CD.
I want to do it.
I found it. I have CD. No, my leg of leggings, come back. Oh.
In just a moment, the word blah will be repeated over
Searching
and
security
over
code.
again. If at some point you hear a number rather than the word blah, ignore it.
What is she doing?
Important.
Oh.
What?
The creator of the Portal universe thing, Gladys, is evil. So we kind of just helped her on her tasks. Hooray.
Wait, I don't understand. Explain that, please.
Gladys is evil and wants to take over the world, and she wants to enslave humans and just make them do testing runs. But it's okay because we're robots, so it's all right if we help her because it's okay.
Wait,
Yeah.
but why did we explode?
Because she made us explode, but it's okay because we're robots. So
No, but what was the CD for?
the CD was the security codes into like network frame and stuff. So we gave the evil robot access to the computers. But it's okay because we did it. High five. Yay. Okay, ready to
Are we
play?
in a different zone now?
No, this is now we're back to the entrance.
We have to do the whole thing again?
No. There's 4 different things. And we just did one of them. The first one we did was up there. There's another one here. There's another one down here. There's another one over here. And yeah.
Oh, can we play different games now, please?
Yes, this was wonderful.